Hi and back everyone to HandSkill. If you are new here, thank you so much for checking out this video. And this is a beautiful DIY heart wall hanging video. Let's start. Taking a cardboard, draw a heart outline and cut it. So for this craft, cut 2 pieces of heart-shaped cardboard of same size. Take first piece of cardboard and divide the cardboard into 5 pieces and then cut it. Next, on each piece of cardboard, cut slightly about 0.5 cm on one side. Using glue here and apply it on other piece of cardboard. After apply glue, stick the heart-shaped pieces one by one on it. Next, using tissue paper here, first apply some glue and then stick a piece of tissue paper on it and again apply a coat of glue over it. It gives a texture to the craft, so do it all over the cardboard and make sure to cover the edges also with tissue paper and glue. It's done and let it dry for some time. Now going to paint with red acrylic. Just started applying the red acrylic from one side of the cardboard. Cover the edges too, and here to change next shade of red color, mix a little bit of white acrylic to the red acrylic and make it lighter and then apply it on the cardboard. Now add few more white acrylic to get more lighter shade of red, almost pink shade, then continue apply it on the remaining part of the cardboard. So finally it looked like this, and now using grey glitter foam sheet, write a word of your choice and using a pen knife cut it. Next, for making roses, I use this red A4 sheet color paper. Using this green A4 sheet color paper, draw an outline of leaves and cut it. For hanging this craft, stick a piece of jute rope at the back side. And now started sticking all pieces together using glue. Stick this decorative rope across the heart. This is a small clip used to hang photos. Check link in description box. Place this photo clip on the rope to hang photos. Hope this video will be useful for you. If you like this video, do consider subscribing, and thanks for watching.